It sounded harmless enough. But from the moment I moved in, I noticed things that didn't sit right. Late at night, I'd hear faint noises coming from apartment 403, scraping sounds, muffled voices, and occasional thuds. I chalked it up to the quirks of old buildings, but the more I listened, the stranger it seemed. The woman in 403, an elderly lady named Mrs. Palmer, rarely left her apartment. When she did, she wore oversized sunglasses and a scarf that covered most of her face, even on warm days. The other tenants were tight-lipped about her. When I asked the man in 301 about her, he shrugged uncomfortably. She's been here forever. Just don't ask too many questions.